about 6:30 in the morning. I'm already on the road. I've got 540 kilometers to do over the next 3 days. But it's funny because even when I was in Patagonia, which is absolutely freezing with the high winds, I didn't get up at this time. I would rather have cycled in 140 kilometer headwinds and get up early like this. But the sun, cycling in the sun is torture. Every minute is torture. I can't believe it. I cannot friggin' believe this. I cycled Patagonia, Tierra del Fuego. I got over the Andes. I'm looking forward to getting to the warmer weather. And boom! Mother Nature says, no, Ishbel. I'm not going to give you any nice days. That's a good thing about Europe. Europe has like weather that's really in the middle. So for cycle touring, it's like fantastic. Like most people think it's the cycling aspect that's the hard part when you're cycle touring. It's not. It's not even hard. The way bikes are now with your gears, it's easy. But what's hard is the weather. It just puts your body into levels of extreme. In South America, either too hot or too cold. Europe's nice. Europe's in between. Cycle Europe. If you're starting out in cycle touring, my advice to you is start out in Europe, explore Europe. Then come further afield. Subtropical is okay, but as soon as you hit tropical or extreme coldness like in Patagonia or the Andes, it's really tough. Really tough in your body. Sometimes it is a survival day. Like, because if you get things wrong and you judge things wrong, you ain't going to cycle out the other end.